snap your fingers, do your step, you can do it. Okay, y'all, look out. I got a YouTube channel. For my people that want to see it in HD and widescreen. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Where y'all going? Y'all want this? He looks serious in there. What? He pulled out his phone? He's gonna record. He just turned on the music. What? Don't copyright me. Let's get over here. For the win. Right lane wasn't playing this time. Hey, all right, y'all. Here we go. We got a CTSV coming up in the left lane. Let me see what else we got. Yeah, you can see two cars over here on my YouTube channel. I know it's hard to see one phone up and down on TikTok. Y'all get over here. Okay. YouTube back on. We got 144 people watching. We got 2,300 people watching on TikTok. We got them floaters on there, y'all. Nitrous and floaters. Y'all think he gonna make a full pass? Pick the left lane if you think he not. Pick the right lane if you think he is. And that, my people, is a full pass. Here we go, 1969 Camaro. Let's see what y'all think about that. Let's see if TikTok get this one right. Is we gonna make a full pass or no full pass? That thing not getting down through there. That was a full pass, y'all. That was a full pass. From all my people that's on TikTok, we done got up to 4,800. I don't know. I think maybe Junkyard Drive. I think so. But if y'all want to see it in HD, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out, look out. Right here we got this truck over here on rims, man. Got some 24x15s in the back. $15s. Y'all hit that follow button, like button, share button. Any one of them work. Any one of them. YouTube. Yeah, it's working on. Okay. Yeah, we in Texas. We in Texas. Oh, we got them Forges on there. Golly. Where y'all betting at on this race? Y'all taking this right here or y'all taking the CTSV? This got one of them new LT motors in it, man. Got them big meat Larry Hoovers on the back. Got them big meat Larry Hoovers, y'all. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. They talking about they taking the truck. Left line since he got that supercharger. Okay. Oh, there go Ron P here. My partner just asked about Ron P. He just brought it up here today. Okay, everybody on TikTok, they say they betting with the Cadillac, y'all. They say they betting with the Cadillac. And let me know which side to walk on. If anybody come over from TikTok to my YouTube channel, let me know so I can shout you out on my YouTube channel. Okay, easy win for the Cadillac CTSV. Okay. Alright, where y'all going right here? Oh, he got nitrous. Damn, I didn't know he had nitrous over here. Bet 20, bet 40, bet 20. That's a bet. It's a bet. It's a bet.